My name is Moffett Chu. I graduated from Cordon Bleu, Melbourne in 2018 with a Grand Diplôme. I'm working with Langham Melbourne, and my job title is Chef de Partie. In Melbourne, you're basically in charge of the entire restaurant. I think I remember one of the movie, and it's talking about the life of Julia Child. And she is the alumni of the campus, the very first campus in Paris. French cuisine is like the top of the world, and it's like the fundamental thing you have to learn as well. There was one time, I think I just saw something pop up that there's an open day for the school in Cordon Bleu, Taiwan. So I went there, even though it was so far away from where I live. So I drove, I think, 3 hours to go to that open day. It's very interesting. They also kind of tell you about some other information about other campus. So that's why I was like, oh, okay, so there is actually Cordon Bleu, Australia. In Melbourne, there are a lot of things going on all the time and a great food culture for sure. In the whole world, you can find Cordon Bleu in Taiwan, the Cordon Bleu in Paris, and in Spain. There's a great community, like a very massive community lies behind that. So because of that, I was able to offer the opportunity to go to Spain to do my placement, not only because it's really great on my resume, but also when you're in this industry, people have like a rating. And when they ask you where you graduated from, and if you say, look, Cordon Bleu, you will have a benchmark of like where you actually lie with. What does Le Cordon Bleu mean to me? I would say definitely is a community of culinary arts with plenty of people who are very good at it. And I think in Le Cordon Bleu, Australia, we focus on European cuisine with a touch of modern Australian. I would say the ingredients that we use is definitely a lot better than any places. It's really nice, and the facility is really, really nice as well. You get to use a lot of different type of utensils, pots and pans and plates. And of course, with a lot of chefs, they are like they're very caring, and they really tell you how important it is for mise en place. So, which means you have to plan ahead. You have always think about something one step, even 2 steps ahead. And especially for time management, it's the same when you're taking tests and etc. I would say that for people who wanted to or still thinking about whether if he or she should study with the Cordon Bleu, I would definitely say that just take the leap and go for it. And while you're at it, always thinking 1 step to 2 steps ahead, and think about how would this benefit you and how would this benefit other people as well. And then, I think that's the key.